all over the world, and the quality is also very good. The video, TAICO video, I can also send to you, so you can show it. TAICO is a 22 years China factory, so you can get sales from your customer. Now it's not long, I just introduced for you. I just want to let you know. I teach you, you can get a customer very detailed, because I get a customer is like that. So you can also introduce to your customer and get sales from your customer like that. Same thing. It means can power the house, many AC, many this one. This is not capacity, this is the power. So quality is only 100 amp. Is such as the power maybe 2 AC, 3 AC one time. But our 50 kW is 200 amp.